Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Cook and Stir, and today's video recipe is about curry powder. Here are the ingredients. You can pause the video and read it through or watch along as I tell you how to make the recipe. So let's start with 2 tablespoon coriander seeds, 2 bay leaves, half teaspoon nutmeg, 2 cardamoms, 6 to 7 black peppercorns, 2-inch cinnamon stick, 2 tablespoon cumin seeds, few curry leaves, and 1 teaspoon fennel seeds. Dry roast till you get a nice aroma, and then let it cool down to room temperature. Transfer this to a mixer jar and add 1 teaspoon red chilli powder and half teaspoon turmeric powder. Grind it into a fine powder. Your curry powder is ready to be used in multiple recipes here on. And that's it for this video. Don't forget to hit that like button and catch you in another one. Till then,